चलो बच्चों, आज ABCD सीखेंगे और कलर करते हैं ABCD। तो चलिए, A for apple, B for ball, ball means game, C for cat, cat means billy, D for duck, duck means badak, E for elephant, elephant means hathi, F for fish, fish means machli, G for grapes, grape means angur, H for hen, hen means murgi, I for ice cream, ice cream means ice cream, J for jackal, jackal means gidar, K for kite, kite means patang, L for lion, lion means sher, M for mango, mango means aam, N for nest, nest means ghosla, O for orange, orange means santra, P for parrot, parrot means tota, Q for queen, queen means rani, R for rose, rose means gulab, S for sheep, sheep means pani jahaj, T for tiger, tiger means bagh, U for umbrella, umbrella means chhata, V for van, van means gadi, W for watch, watch means घड़ी, X for Christmas, Christmas means tree, Y for yak, yak means पहाड़ी सांड, Z means zebra, zebra means zebra। चलो दोस्तों, थैंक यू। वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें जरूर। थैंक यू।